This is the same waterfall I was at before, but I came to the bottom of it because I need a drink of water. You know, I don't know, everybody else drinks out of it, but you also see people taking a bath in it. I figure the higher up you go, the cleaner it's going to be, and I'm about halfway up, so could be worse. Next time I'll bring a liter of water, I guess. It's a really nice day for this. These mountains are really, you can't even really, you don't understand unless you're here, but it's really beautiful. Actually, there's a lot of, I don't know if you guys can see, but tadpoles there, everywhere. I didn't know what they were at first, actually. I think they're tadpoles. Yeah, they're tadpoles. I don't know. Looks clean to me. But I guess those are famous last words, right? Wow, yeah, look. I really want to get a good shot of this. These are all frog eggs right here. I'm going to get a few shots with my camera. That's pretty cool. I think they're tadpoles. Wow. That is pretty neat. Anyway. Gwanaksan. Beautiful waterfall. It's about 23 degrees. Nice breeze going through here, so it's perfect weather for hiking. Tomorrow, I think I'm gonna go do a shoot of the cherry blossoms at Yoido Park. I could sleep here. This is awesome. Alright, so I'll be back. I'm sure there's some other cool stuff to see here once I get up higher. Bye for now.